Well, just about 1 year ago, I bought this trailer on Facebook Marketplace. 1955 Trotwood, Ohio camper trailer that had been gutted. I finished the gutting, painted it with the intention of turning it into a donut trailer, or the Rock Run House canteen. So it's now pretty close to there. We've got an exhaust hood. We've got a service window. And I used some water-based poly, which has done a great job. It's really, really hard enamel, very easy to deal with, and no yellowing. I have a secondary service window, which I'm going to use as well. And inside, I've made it very, very practical. So you come inside and there's a service table here on the left. This is going to be a coffee service. Lots of plugs, 4 plugs over here, which is great. And then this is the area where you stand and serve. You can serve out this window, serve out this window. Then a big work counter. Here, another work counter here, storage underneath, storage underneath. We've got a refrigerator back here. We have a 4-sink water configuration, hand washing, then wash, rinse, sanitize, sink. We've got a water heater inside. Wastewater goes in the blue. Clean fresh water coming out of the green. Electricity comes in through this line, runs into the box. A very simple, straightforward fuse panel that I put in. Power goes in here, and then power coming out in various places. Regular places, we've got plugs, we've got lights overhead, and then the donut maker itself is kind of a big plug. So this is a 30 amp, but not a big deal, should work. The other big part to put in was this exhaust hood. So you saw the fan on the outside, and here's the hood. It's a 5-foot hood. The donut maker is about 4 feet long. So it'll sit right under here, and this hood will take up all the smoke, ideally. So to make it all run, I've got a Predator generator, a 5,000 watt generator, which I think will do everything we need. Kind of a big plug out here, but let's try it. See if the electricity's working. So these things are supposed to be really smooth and easy. It has a remote control starter for it too, but there's also a pull start if you want to just do that. Let's see. Wow, 1 pull and she fires right up. Extremely quiet, which is fantastic. All right, my box says we're getting juice here. We got a little green light. Let's go inside and see if the lights work. Aha, they do. Look at that, we got lights in the ceiling. Extremely nice. Refrigerator should be on. The light comes on, it's on. And let's see if our fan comes on. So the fan is a really big fan. I wanted a lot of exhaust, but it's kind of loud. So I got this little dial switch for it so that we can dial it down. Because wide open, you know, you can't even hear yourself think. But if you had a smoke emergency, it would suck it all out pretty fast. But for normal operation, I can keep it down pretty low and just keep smoke from building up without having the annoying noise. Totally works. It's amazing. All right, so it's up and running. And we'll have donut testing this week. And check back in for that, because the donut machine is just brilliant, absolutely brilliant.